Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily fix Facebook Messenger not sending messages. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up your web browser, Safari or Google Chrome, it doesn't matter, and then tap at address bar and search for speed test, just like that, and then open up speedtest.net, and right here we're gonna make a short speed test to make sure that we have good internet connection. Just hit right here at that big go button, and then wait for a short time until it will show up speed test of your internet connection. As you can see, I got a pretty cool internet connection. Download speed is about 30 megabytes per second, and if your download speed higher than 5 megabytes per second, it definitely means that your internet connection is good enough for using Facebook Messenger, and the problem is somewhere else. If you have bad internet connection, you may try to open up Control Center, and then maybe your Wi-Fi gives you bad connection, so you can toggle it off and try to use mobile data, or maybe you should enable Wi-Fi, so you can try which one works better. And once you find one, you can move on to the next step. On the next step, tap right here at the address bar, and then type in is Facebook down and hit on go. Then go to downdetector.com, and right here at the very top you can easily check if Facebook got some problems with their servers right now. You can check user reports indicate no current problems at Facebook. You can also scroll down to see that graph, and as you can see, there are no huge spikes on that graph, and that also means that Facebook servers works good. If there is a huge spike, or if right here it says that there are some problems with Facebook right now, all you have to do is just wait for some time until Facebook team will fix their problems. If right here that's everything okay with the Facebook servers, you can try the next solution. Just hop out web browser for now, and then open up settings. On settings, get into general, then iPhone storage, then wait for some time, up to maybe 10 or 15 seconds, until it shows you the list of apps, and once it's loaded, just scroll down until you find Facebook Messenger. Here it is. Get into it, and on that step you can reinstall Facebook Messenger app, because if you have good internet connection and there are no problems with the Facebook servers, the problem may be with your Messenger app. So just hit at offload app, then offload app again. That action removes all system core files for Messenger app, but keeps all your documents and data, including all your messages, all your media files, even login information. So now you can hit at reinstall app, and then just wait for some time until it to complete. And after that, once the app is reinstalled, you can hop out settings and open up Facebook Messenger app. As you can see, it doesn't ask me to enter my login and password. That's because login information hasn't been removed, and now you can get into some conversation and then just try to send a message, and after that you can write down in the comments below if it helps you or not. Also, I recommend you to check out my Facebook Messenger tutorials playlist, where you can find a lot of useful tutorials. Just check the link in description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.